Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the credit repair business. First, grasp the core principles of credit and how reporting works. Familiarize yourself with the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which protects consumer rights. This foundational knowledge is crucial for identifying and addressing inaccuracies. Understanding common errors, like incorrect balances or outdated information, will be your first step. This initial phase sets the stage for effectively helping clients improve their financial standing and achieve better credit scores. Next, focus on the practical skills needed to operate. Mastering the art of writing effective dispute letters is paramount for challenging inaccuracies with credit bureaus. Explore specialized credit repair software, which can streamline client onboarding and case management, saving you many hours. Develop clear pricing models, perhaps offering 3 distinct service tiers to cater to various client needs. This business knowledge forms the backbone of your operational efficiency and client satisfaction. Now, let's talk about attracting your first clients. Establish a robust online presence through a professional website and active social media profiles. Leverage platforms like Facebook and Instagram to share valuable credit tips and engage potential clients. Consider forming referral partnerships with mortgage brokers, real estate agents, and financial advisors. They often encounter individuals needing credit assistance. Effective marketing is key to building a steady stream of clients and growing your reputation in the industry. Finally, focus on scaling and ensuring long-term success. Implement smooth client onboarding processes and strategies to retain clients, perhaps offering follow-up consultations every 3 months. Stay current with evolving credit laws and regulations by dedicating at least 1 hour weekly to research. Consider expanding your service offerings to include credit counseling or financial coaching, providing more comprehensive support. This continuous growth mindset will help you build a sustainable and impactful credit repair business for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.